Well, we set up the 210 and everything onto this casing, but it's the first time that we've done such a build. So we've done a little bit of tuning. We needed to change timing a little bit. The jets were extremely lean. We needed to go very big. But guy from J&G Tuning overseas has helped us out a lot with a few preliminary setups, and we've sort of tuned it from there. And she's now pulling much better. And now we're time to test. Okay, well, seems like she's running better. So I think we're all ready and sorted and all the rest of it. We will see you at Stofskop on the weekend.